In this tutorial, you will learn how to post payments in the databank, including credit card and EFT charges. You must complete this process in order to update your databank with information about charges that have been processed through your online form. In some cases, you will need to post the payments in order to initiate the charges with your payment gateway. To get started, select the fundraising menu within your databank. Then, select Payments. This screen will display pending payments by default, or payments that match the search criteria you have applied at the top of the screen. In this example, we want to ensure we are working with not posted payments that require action from us by selecting Not Posted in the Record Status drop-down menu if necessary. Please note that although you should receive an email notification every time a new transaction comes through your site, it is the best practice to check this page regularly in the event that the email was sent to your spam or junk folder. With Not Posted selected from the drop-down menu, you should be displaying all transactions that have yet to be posted to the databank, and for users of the Vanco Payment Gateway, these transactions have not been charged yet as well. If you use one of our payment gateways and the payment came through an online form, this payment will have already been processed unless you see a red error message with a description of the error. If this was a manually entered payment and you use a payment processor that is not Vanco, you will need to click the link that says Submit To, followed by the name of your payment processor for payment. In the Payments table, each transaction is represented by a single row that will list details of the transaction, such as who is being charged, the status of the transaction, the date, and so on. The databank will attempt to find a match for your donor and your databank's information. In this example, Stanley Allen's information has been matched and is being displayed in the drop-down menu. Below the text, Contribution will be attributed to. If the information is correct, do not make any changes. If the databank was unable to make a successful match, click the drop-down menu and select either New Member, which will create a member record in your databank with the information stored in the payment record, or choose a different person from that list. If for any reason you would like to make a change to the payment record, simply select the edit link from the left side of the table to make the necessary changes. A few reasons why changes would need to be made include altering an address or changing credit card information in the event of a declined transaction. When you scroll down to display the Payment Information heading, notice that you are unable to access the donor's current credit card information. However, you are able to enter a new card number as well as update the name on the card type, and the expiration date. In this case, we will update the expiration date to October 2014. When finished, click the Submit button. Then click the Return to List link to return to the list of unposted transactions. Notice that the expiration date has been changed. Finally, select the Post checkbox for each transaction that you'd like to post. When finished, click the Process Selected Payments button. Clicking this button will post the transaction to the Vanco Payment Gateway for processing. If the transaction is already posted to the Payment Gateway, the transaction will automatically be posted to your databank as well, so that no additional data entry is necessary. The posted transaction will appear in the proper member's contribution history as soon as it clears with the processor. This time period can vary, but should occur within 48 hours.